you're here already. I didn't notice. Actually, I was thinking about that movie name where this Chatur was there. Chatur, you remember? That Mutra Visarjan? My bladders are blasting. Please stop the car. Which movie was that? I was thinking about that name. If you know that, please comment and tell me the name. Oh. Okay, whatever it is, you just give me the name and today we will start the video. But before that, I also have to go for the Mutra Visarjan, and after coming, we will start the video.
Hello everyone, welcome to Gyanyatri Rupraj. So we have in previous videos already discussed about different life processes, out of which nutrition, respiration, circulation, that is transportation, and we have discussed, and today we will discuss about the excretion. Yes, excretion. Excretion is a process, it is removal of waste material. Excretion is a process where we call it as removal of waste material. So our body make waste materials, right? As whatever the important materials are there, due to nutrition we take it up, and then after using, forming in ATP, we used up, and then whatever the materials which left over, which we don't need, it is we considered as waste material and it has to be removed out. So excretion is the process. First we will discuss in the human beings, then we will discuss in the plants. First, in human beings, the system which is responsible, the organ system, we called it as human excretory system, and it consists of kidneys, pair of kidneys. The kidneys are remain in the two either side of the backbone here, right? Then a pair of ureters which is connected with the kidney, and then urinary bladder which is made up of muscle, and then a urethra, single opening. So here the kidney is mainly forming, filtering up the blood, and due to the filtration of the blood we get urine. So urine is produced. This urine is mainly consist of nitrogenous waste. It is consist of nitrogenous waste. For an example, urea, uric acid, these are the nitrogenous waste. So these all are present in the urine along with the water. So this has to be get removed out, and this removal process by the filtration, it happens in the kidney, and this kidney contains a small structure which we call filtration unit, and this filtration is unit named nephron. Yes, nephron. There are many nephrons present in each kidney which do filtration, and it forms the urine. So now we will see the structure of the nephron and how it functions. So this is a very simple structure of the nephron. I just open it up out. So if we see, this is the capillary. We know that in the capillaries the exchange takes place, as it is very small and thin wall. So these are the capillaries. So this capillary, very networks of capillaries are there, abundant numbers of capillaries are there, through which the filtration takes place, and this is the part, cluster of capillaries we call glomerulus. And from here the filtration takes place, and the filtrate come in the Bowman's capsule, right? So first process, filtration takes place. So structure and function I am taking together, right? So filtration takes place. So 180 liter of blood daily get filtered out, and then when it filtered, the filtrate comes in the Bowman capsule, and from here it will comes to the tubular part. So the first tubular part is proximal convoluted tubule. Then we can find a U-shaped structure which is called loop of Henle, and then again zigzag one is another one is called distal convoluted tubule, and lastly the collecting duct. What happens here? Here, whatever materials get filtered, like there are some important materials, for an example, glucose, amino acid, salts, even water. These all important materials which is getting filtered, right, in comes in the filtrate. So this has to be get reabsorbed, because these are not waste material. Only the mainly the nitrogenous waste we have to remove out, right? So this will get reabsorbed in this area, and then the water amount of water will be secreted back or reabsorbed. It's depend on the amount of water present in the body, or the amount of water is required to remove out the waste, right? So after the reabsorption and secretion, what will happen? This will finally form urine, and it will come into the collecting duct. In the collecting duct, it will get stored, and not stored actually, the collecting duct, it will collect and come together into the kidney, and from there it will get open into the ureter. It will go past to the ureter, and then it will reach to the urinary bladder. It will store in the urinary bladder till the storage will, the urine will exert pressure in the muscular wall of the bladder, and because of that, what will happen? The nervous signal will send a signal, nervous system will send a signal that we got an urge of urine, and then because of that we go for the urination. So that's it from the human beings. We will see the next one, that is in the plants, the excretion in plants. Now we will see excretion process in plants. So it is very simple in plants. We already know that carbon dioxide and oxygen, as per the requirement, the oxygen or carbon dioxide, they remove it. For an example, carbon dioxide removed out as a waste material during the respiration process, and oxygen is removed out as a waste material during the photosynthesis process. Transpiration, we have seen excess amount of water get lost out by in the form of evaporation, right? Vapor form, that is transpiration. Then sometimes they store the waste material also in vacuoles, cellular vacuoles inside the cell. It has the vacuoles there also, they stored it, waste products, and they keep all the waste materials in the leaves also, and that leaves fallen out, right? Fallen out. Sometimes what they do, resins and gums, these are also considered as waste product which is getting stored into the plants, and then even they excrete out the waste material in the neighboring soil also. So it is very simple, the excretion process in the plants. So that's it from today's video. I hope you have learned, understand it very well, and we will see you in the upcoming videos. So before that, do subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.